What's up, guys? Today is a super short video. In fact, we're talking about this. So this is a star filter that I had in my bag. This is what a star filter should look like, right? Just that. So what happened with a star filter, when it hits the light, it becomes a star, either 4 or 6 or whatever the lines are. A couple of weeks ago, I was shooting, I took this in my hand and I touched it a bit too hard and it broke. As you can see, it's like shattered here, so it's like 2 parts, but it didn't fall apart, right? It's still, the glass is still there. It moves, and I tried shooting with it, and it's amazing because I have this really cool like lens flare and stuff. So today I'm going to show you how this thing can take on some cool effects. So let's go straight into the footage and some photos that I took, and then we're going to come back here and I'm going to talk 20 more seconds, and that's the whole video for today. Here we are again talking about this guy. So my source of light is actually just like a window, and my helmet, it's keeping the curtain open just there. So I have like a nice soft light right here. Anyways, so I'm not telling you you should break your filters, but I'm telling you you should buy a really cheap filter, really cheap star filter, and just like try and break it, and hopefully you get this, and then you can just play around with it. Like, you know, like even like during video you can like slide this around, like turn it and make some really cool like lens flare and stuff. It's amazing. Light leaks, it just looks something unique. Haven't seen it before, so I hope this helped you in this quarantine time. Just, you know, get creative with what you have, and that's about it really. Buy a star filter, break it, take a portrait or photos or landscape or whatever, videos, nightclubs. I'll add some more stuff here, and I think that's it for today. Super quick video. See you guys next week. Bye.